It's like my sixth day here, and in 6 days I already feel like settled. I mean, anywhere else I'd be like 6 days. I'm still really new here, but already like 6 days in, I feel like part of like a community over here. You know, like literally my friends back over there are making faces and making me laugh. So it's like that. You know, everybody's so friendly here. Everybody, you know, like just go talk to someone, doesn't matter who. Before you know it, your friends, you're talking, you're going out playing games with everybody, you know, going for movies, going to get dinner. Yeah, that's how the culture is here. Yeah.
Obviously, anyone coming new is going to be nervous. You know, they're leaving home. But I think if there's a place that makes it easy for you, it's International House. You know, if you want any advice, there's a program like it eases the way. Just join in as many events as you can, and honestly, their program like paves the way for you. You know, like it helps you socially, academically. Helps you with adjusting into Australia in all perspectives, accommodation, city and university, you know. Just like join their events and you'll be fine.
So today, for example, was Christmas in July. That was like a pretty cool thing, because back home I don't even celebrate Christmas, and then celebrating here in July is like a whole new thing. But yeah, that was something that was pretty cool.